one. Let me show you how you can use Forex Factory to stay ahead of the market. Now, you can download it on your phone as an app, or you can go to Chrome to use it. So this is Forex Factory. What do Forex Factory help you do? Forex Factory will help you know the time of the news and the currency pair the news is coming in. And we have three types of major news in Forex Factory. We have the low impact news, we have the medium impact news, and we have the high impact news. So you can see that the color has already differentiated themselves. The yellow one is low impact news, and when you check at the time, this is by 8 a.m. in the morning. So it will tell you that, okay, Chef is having news by 8 a.m. in the morning. What do you do? Since it's a low impact news, it might not affect the market so much, so you don't have much worry about it. And we have the medium impact news, which is what? 1:30, and it's telling you that USD will be having news by 1:30. But it's medium impact news. It might slightly affect the market. Sometimes it has a low volatility, sometimes it doesn't have volatility. But you see this red one, this red one is the high impact news, and this news is still coming by 1:30 p.m. If you don't mind this one, they have already shown you that this is danger. Everybody know the color red now is what? Danger. So it's telling you that by 1:30, USD is having high impact news. What do you need to do? Stay out of the market, or do what? You can minimize your risk if you don't know if the market is going your direction or it's not going. So you can just do what? Minimize your risk. You can set your TP or set your SA depending on your trading strategy. If you don't mind it, you see that your account, blood go flow, because I've already shown you that this one is danger. So guys, Forex Factory will help you do what? Know the time of the news and which currency pair the news is coming in. It will help you do what? Stay ahead of the chart. See you guys. Stay safe. Bye.